morning, traders. Thank you so much for joining in today. Welcome to RLTR Group. So today I'm going to explain as a follow-up for yesterday's video. Yesterday I wasn't that bullish, uh, but I was not that bearish as well. But there were a lot of things that we had done yesterday to understand and see where we could take a very decent position. Now, yesterday, the market came down, okay? It halted at the zone and then it went for a breakout at this zone. So, at this very moment, I started understanding that with this reversal and a pullback here, and the second time it breaks, I will go ahead and buy my position. That's what I did yesterday. So I bought, 30,700 CE, 101, sorry, 1,175 quantity at 213 rupees. So that was right here at this zone, is where I had purchased that option. I could have squared off after it made a high of 292, but the reason why I did not make that decision of squaring off is because after a almost complete retracement, there is always is a gap up that this particular option follows. Now, if you see, that is what I was expecting. So for yesterday, yes, I had taken one single trade and it was this. And now I'm going to follow it up and see what's going to happen at the end of the day. Where will this go? I think the first time where it breaks 300, I would see 400 as my second target. And at that time, I would be trying to book it. But if I still see a momentum in market, then I'm going to carry it more upwards. Let's see what happens at the end of the day. I will go ahead and notify you how this position played and how we can better ourselves. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much for joining in, guys. So as far as I could see at this moment, the way we had predicted, yes, there is going to be a gap up. Right now is somewhere around 913, and the index is somewhere around 90 points up, as well as Bank Nifty is 229 points up. Now, you must be wondering, why did I not close this position yesterday? Yes, this was the very reason why I did not close the position, because I was anticipating this uh, to not just be at 258. I could have booked this 50,000 profit yesterday and I would have told you that we made 50,000, but I'm a guy who wants to collect as much as possible. You know, uh, I'm from those group of traders who book very little losses and book huge profits. At this moment, if you would see, my investment in this entire thing was just 2,50,000. I have already made somewhere around 52K out of it. So that's 25% gain that I had already made yesterday. And my very reason to not book it is because of my confidence in my analysis that after such a reversal, it is going to go up. But let me tell you another secret. Um, Over here, there was a similar pattern that it did on last Tuesday. Okay, it came down, it came up, and then on Wednesday, after the gap up, it just completed the entire day in a rally. So, I'm pretty confident today would also be the same day based on the analysis. There were nothing negative on the global cues. So, if I look at the global cues at this moment, everything is in a positive. Yesterday Dow Jones was 1% up. It had already crossed 30,000 once again. So what am I going to do? I'm going to collect a huge profit. And yes, guys, see, it's already at 350 at this moment. So what's going to happen? We have to go ahead and ensure and see, how better is this particular candle going to hold? And when I'm going to book this position, I'm going to let you know as to what this would all be about. So right now, it's somewhere around 9:15. So we'll give it another couple of minutes and I will let you know once I have booked the position as to what we are going to do about it later. Have a good day. See you soon. Thank you so much for joining in, guys. Yes, I have gone ahead and booked this particular position at this moment. So I have made a commutative of 1,10,000 in this position. I could have been happy with 50,000 yesterday, but my conviction in my analysis is accurate. So, like I told you, that if it is crossing about 300, it is definitely going to give me a lot of profit, and that's what it did. So I just want to tell you guys, even you will be able to make a similar profit like this with us. We are a retailer's live trading room, and on website you can just visit us at www.rltrgroup.com, and over here you will have a lot of content about what we do. There is a simple registration and you can join with me live on the time when I take this position, and you can trade with me and you can book the profit exactly the same time when I'm booking it, so that you don't have to worry about a lot of analysis, a lot of trades, and how it is going to happen, and what's this going to do, what's that's going to do. You don't have to bother about this at all. The only thing that you need to bother is to just register and watch me trade and take the trade when I'm taking, and that will give you the edge. Now, if I talk about the percentage, you know, I just have it right here. So out of a position which is of 2,50,000, I have made 1,10,000 out of it. So that's more than 40% that we have made out of our capital. So I'm not a guy who is talking to you about let's make 10%, let's make 20%. No. If we are right, we are very right. If we are wrong, of course, there are times you are going to go ahead and get, some bad trades. But my bad trades are not as big as my wins. That's actually what which is very important for you to remain profitable. So I would request you to join us, get started, and start trading with me live so that you also can make such profit and be happy. Don't worry about all the analysis and stuff. Leave it up to me. I will do the analysis. You don't have to break a sweat, and I will go ahead and handhold you and take the trades on my account for you to replicate it in your account. That's the purpose of it. And just to let you know, we do not provide you indicators, costly trainings, and late night tensions and decades of financial mistakes. We just give you an opportunity to be with us and be profitable. And yes, we are profitable at this moment. My day is done. I'm going to close the system, and it's somewhere around 9:23. I will start watching Netflix now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll look forward for your contribution, and let's see, if I could, trade with you tomorrow. So that would be my purpose. Let's go ahead. I wish you a wonderful day ahead, guys. My day is over. I'll see you tomorrow.